Welcome to our new chat application, and this application is simple, fast, and fun. The following screen where you see the two people chatting, we have given those people name Jack and Rose, and in this one, in the screen which you are currently seeing, where you do the user registration form, and the user will be entering either name, just a username, or the email address as a username, where you can register. And once the account is registered, it will be creating, it will give the pop-up message saying account has been created. This will be applied for both the screen. So once the account has been created, you will go to the main screen where you will see the five options, which is recent, friends, groups, request, and settings. In the settings, where you can see you can add the new friend, and you can change your password or edit your profile or delete chat history at it. Now you can delete your account. What you can do most of the things, and by clicking the image, you can add a profile photo for you. So by going to the gallery, or you can using your camera, you can select your photo also. So, and second is you can add your friend, or you can add your profile. Yeah, you can edit your profile, putting a name, place, and the email. And in this one, in the main screen, where a request means when you do a request, when you send a request to add a friend, or if those requests are pending, those will be displayed in the request area. And now we are going to add a friend. Now Rose is going to add Jack into the chat application. So you don't need to put the full name. You can put just 2 letters or 3 letters. You can get the display. So now you can see the person is online. So you can select it, and now Rose is going to send a request to Jack. So the request immediately comes as a notification. In that notification, if you click that notification, it will ask whether to accept or cancel. So in this case, we are going to accept it. So now when you accept it, in the friends list, in Jack's profile, who are the friends is on the line. So currently Rose is on with Jack's profile, and she's online. So what we are going to do is we are going to do a chat with Rose now. By clicking Rose, Jack is starting his chat. So the message has been already popped up. So because we are in a different screen, it's going to the notification. So now, in the chat screen area, you can see right hand side of the screen your chat messages appears, and left hand side is the person who you are chatting with. Also, it got a color, different color, so you can differentiate which is your message and which is your friend's message. We are going to see couple of chats, how it is going to display, and then we'll move on to so now even in this chat we can upload images using our local domain, or also you can take some photos and send to the people, and you can not only photos, you can do video and document, you can do most of any any files, you can send it to the your friends in this list, in the list. Now next thing is each page will have its own home button, where you, by clicking that one, you can go to its home and you can go back and see the history where Rose had done chat with Jack. So and you can go back in case if there is any exchange in telephone numbers or something, so you can go back and take in the history and find out what telephone numbers they have given. So now Rose is going to send a request to Jack. In the search button, you can enter one or two characters of your friend, so it can be displayed there. Now, clicking Jack's name, it will ask for to send a request. Now we are going to click request. The request came as a notification. By clicking the notification, you can go into the page where it asks whether to accept or cancel. In this case, we are going to accept it. So if you go into the friends page, you can see Rose's name is added into Jack's profile. Now when you click your friend's name, it will open the chat box where you can start doing the chat. So this will immediately give a notification on the Rose device, so we can get into that chat, and then we can start doing the chat through. They can do the chat with each other. So Rose and Jack is doing a chat. You can see a couple of more chat messages, and then we'll go further on it. So in this one, you in the chat, is not only just do a text chat. We can send picture. Also, you can send a live photo, and also you can send videos, and you can send documents through this chat. So by clicking the documents, you can see where the folders are, and you can, whichever the folder you want, you can select and send those particular files. And in each page of this application, you will see the home button, where by clicking that one, you can go back to the main page where you can see the history of the chat. By clicking that history, you can go back to that particular history, and you can take any telephone numbers or any other information or address you shared with the people. You can take that one. Next, we are going to see group chat. In this group chat, it works exactly like one-to-one, but in this one, we are going to create a group name. By selecting the group name, it will list out all your friends in the list, but you can select only the friends which you want to add them on the group by selecting the checkbox. So once you do that one, so it will give a group name, and within the group you can just do the chat. When you send the message through the group chat, it will send a message to all the friends within the group chat. So in this one you can see Rose, but we got only 2 people here, that's why you are seeing this message. So, and this message can't be seen by any other people outside the group. So in the settings button, you can go and delete the chat history if you want by clicking delete history. So delete the chat history, so it will delete all the chat history in this one, so to save the memory. And also you can delete account in this one if you want. You don't want it to be in this chat account, you can delete the account very straightforward. And so this is the same thing, and then you can come out of this application. And if you got any queries, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.